Halito! So today I want to give you guys two ways to say, can you speak Choctaw? Or ask somebody if they can speak Choctaw. And so the first way we're going to learn is Chata anupa ishano balahinaho. Chata anupa ishano balahinaho. And I know it's kind of long, but bear with me just for a little bit. Chata anupa, Choctaw language. Ish is you. Anopalahina means can speak, and then hon is a question marker. So altogether, Chata Anopa Ishanopalahina hon just means can you speak Choctaw language? Can you speak the Choctaw language? And so you'll hear it be said like this, or a contracted version you would probably hear is Chata Anopa Ishanopalanaho. Chata Anopa Ishanopalanaho. They're both correct, and they both mean can you speak Choctaw. Just one is longer and the other is its contracted form. So either way you say it, Chatanopa Ishanopalahinaho or Chatanopa Ishanopalanaho, you'll be understood. And so the second way that you can say this or ask this is to simply say Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo. Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo. And so this question just asks, do you speak Choctaw? Do you speak Choctaw? And so that you usually when we ask questions, we usually say Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo. But if you say Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo, that means are you speaking Choctaw language? Like right now, currently, are you speaking Choctaw language? And so that's why we use that yo. Do you speak Choctaw language? So Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo. Do you speak Choctaw language? And so those are the two ways that you can ask somebody if they can speak Choctaw. Chata Anopa Ishanopalahilaho or Chata Anopa Ishanopalanaho. And then the second way is Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo. Chata Anopa Ishanopalayo. And so I hope this helps and I hope you use it. Hachipin Salachigi.